Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use hydraulic strut in ERLC step by step. Begin by preparing a safe workspace, gathering tools, and reviewing the vehicle manual for exact specifications. Inspect the strut for leaks, dents, or corrosion before touching any fasteners. Use the correct socket sizes, keep a firm grip on the hood, and have an assistant if the panel is heavy to avoid sudden drops or injury. Start by slightly loosening the mounting bolts while the hood or panel is supported to prevent sudden movement. Once the panel is secured, fully remove the lower fastener, then the upper fastener, keeping the strut under control at all times. Avoid compressing the strut or using excessive force when pulling it free, and place removed hardware in an organized tray for reinstallation. Inspect mounting points for wear before fitting the new unit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more how-to content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a leak-proof companion that fits most cup holders and keeps hands free while working on cars, so you can focus on the job without spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new hydraulic strut in the same orientation as the old one, and start by hand-threading the upper mounting fastener to hold it in place without torque. Support the panel, align the lower mount, and install that fastener next, then torque both fasteners to the manufacturer specification using a torque wrench. Slowly open and close the panel several times to confirm smooth operation, and check for any binding, unusual noise, or fluid leaks before completing the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.